These thumbnails you see here were generated using a new thumbnail maker that creates thumbnails instantly. This new thumbnail maker actually makes thumbnails better than most YouTubers out there. Most people struggle with thumbnails more than anything else on YouTube. You can have a great video, a strong title, and solid SEO, but if your thumbnail doesn't grab attention, nobody is going to click it. That is why so many creators either overthink thumbnails or spend hours testing different designs, fonts, and colors, only to end up even more confused with their videos not really getting views. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Keoo AI to generate YouTube thumbnails in seconds. All you have to do is to enter your idea, and Keoo AI instantly creates an attention-grabbing thumbnail for you. That means you don't need to spend hours designing or waste hundreds of dollars hiring a designer. A thumbnail has one job: get the click. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be clear, easy to read, and directly connected to your title. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. I have a lot of helpful videos here. So let's say I'm about to upload a video called How to Start Freelancing with No Experience. Instead of opening Photoshop or Canva and struggling for hours, I'll just jump into Keoo AI. I'll leave the link to Keoo AI in the description of this video. Once you're inside Keoo AI, on the left sidebar, click on YouTube Tools. Then at the top, you'll see several tabs. Click on Thumbnail Designer, and you'll be taken straight to the Thumbnail Designer interface. There are two ways to generate a thumbnail in Keoo AI, and I'll start with the first one. At the top, there's a box where you can paste a YouTube video URL, title, or idea. Since this is a brand new video that I haven't uploaded yet, I'll paste my video idea instead. I'll type, How to Start Freelancing with No Experience. Right below that, you'll see Enter Thumbnail Title. This is the exact text that will appear on your thumbnail, so keep it short and clear. For this example, I'll type something like, Start Freelancing. Next is Background Assets, where you describe what you want to see in the background. This could be something like, Laptop and coffee on desk. After that, you choose your thumbnail style. Do you want the text on the left and the image on the right? Text at the top with the image centered below? Or something more random? Keoo AI shows you all the structures, so you can pick what works. For this example, I'll go with structure 1 because it looks clean and fits the video. Below that, you can upload your main image. If you have a photo of yourself or a specific image you want to use, upload it here. If not, you can leave it blank and Keoo AI will handle it for you. Next is the reference image, but we'll skip this for now because you can't use a reference image with this first method. You can also upload additional images if you want to add logos, icons, or extra people to the thumbnail. Then there's the additional information box where you can describe the vibe, text color, or how everything should come together. Once you're done, scroll up and click Generate. And just like that, Keoo AI creates multiple attention-grabbing thumbnails you can download and use right away. These already follow what works on YouTube: bold text, clear focus, strong contrast, and simple messaging. Now, the second way to generate thumbnails is by using a reference image. Let's say we already have our video title entered and our main image uploaded. What we do next is upload a screenshot of a thumbnail we want to reference, add a bit of extra information to guide Keoo AI, and then hit Generate. Keoo AI keeps the same style, layout, and overall look of the reference thumbnail, but swaps in your own image and replaces the text with your thumbnail title. That way you get the exact look you want without designing anything yourself. And that's it. Two simple ways to create high-click thumbnails without overthinking it. The biggest advantage here is speed. You're not designing from scratch, but you're starting with something that already makes sense for YouTube. That said, this doesn't mean you should pick any thumbnail and upload it. You still want to make sure it matches your title. If your title is about starting your freelancing journey with no experience, the thumbnail should clearly communicate that idea, not something random or confusing. You can tweak the inputs, change the wording, or regenerate until you see something that fits your video best. Another important thing about thumbnails is consistency. Over time, you want people to recognize your style. Using a tool like this helps you stay consistent without spending hours designing every single thumbnail. This is especially useful if you're a beginner, or if you post frequently and don't want thumbnails to slow you down. So that's how the Keoo AI Thumbnail Designer helps you create instant thumbnails without stress. I'll leave the link to Keoo AI in the description of this video so you can try it yourself. Sign up and start creating. Spend a few minutes on your thumbnail before posting. It makes a bigger difference than most people think. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. I share a lot of helpful videos here. Like and share and watch the next video showing on the screen.